Hey there, bookkeepers. It's Trudi from Maven. Let's talk about a word we see a lot in business circles, and frankly, it's one I used to eye roll at every time I heard it. Abundance. It always feels like a bait and switch. The promise of ease and overflow of abundance followed by a hefty price tag and a payment plan. But the truth is, abundance isn't some fantasy lifestyle you manifest. It's not 6 figures in 6 weeks. And it's not burnout disguised as ambition. Real abundance is actually quieter, smarter, and more rhythmic. So the word abundance comes from the Latin abundare. It meant, and I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, so don't lambaste me for that, but it meant to overflow like a wave in a natural rhythm, not consistent, not infinite, just timely, seasonable, but sustainable. In early centuries, abundance referred to the harvest. The barn was full, not forever, but for enough to get through the winter, enough to rest, enough to share, enough to trust the cycle. That's not how we define it anymore. In business, we've been sold a version of abundance that's always more. More clients, more output, more income, more scale. So even when the season is good, we don't feel so good. We feel pressure to ride the wave longer, or worse, to manufacture one when we're supposed to be resting. But here's the thing. A slow quarter doesn't mean you failed. A full one doesn't mean you have to scale. And a break in the action doesn't mean you're broken. Let me give you a few bookkeeper-specific examples. Number 1, you had a record month in May. Do you A, launch a new package out of momentum? Or B, pause to assess capacity and let yourself breathe? Abundance doesn't always mean double down. Sometimes it means double check. Example 2, you lost 2 clients in August. Do you panic and slash prices, or revisit your pipeline and give your systems a tune-up? Abundance doesn't run from the dip, it learns from it. Example 3, you're fully booked. Do you A, say yes to one more because you shouldn't say no to the money, or B, finally honor the fact that you don't have space? Overflow isn't always opportunity. Sometimes it's warning. Look, if you're always producing, always chasing, always saying yes, that's not abundance. That's actually erosion. Healthy soil needs rest, and so does a healthy business. So here's your Maven mindset shift for this week. Abundance isn't endless, it's cyclical. You sow, you grow, you harvest, you rest. Let that rhythm guide your business decisions and let it keep you from chasing more when you already have enough. Here's your action item this week. Look at your calendar and your cash flow. Where can you honor the harvest and where can you schedule some rest? Even if it's just a half a day, even if it's just a slower week, you don't have to grind to prove you're growing. Sometimes the most abundant thing you can do is pause. Hey, we have some really exciting launches coming up, so be sure you subscribe, hit the bell, whatever you do so you don't miss them. We've got Maven launches right around the corner. Up next, keeping things high and firm. I'm talking about standards. What did you think I was talking about? I'll see you there.